Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. I'm stuck with it and I want to fix this. Alright, first of all we go to Google Chrome, and right now if we search for how to run, you see immediately that we are searching on Yahoo. Now we want to change this, so we go to the three dots right in the top here, then go to settings, search engine, and then right here at search engine you see it Yahoo search. Right now we want to change this, so click on change, click here on Google, set as default, and right now if we click this away and go to Google Chrome and search for how to run, don't click here on the Yahoo search, but click here on the Google search, and right now we have it Google search right here. Now if we do a new tab, we also have Google here, so this is exactly how you can fix this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.